of these exams. And then I have to focus, so focus के साथ I can stand थोड़ा tiptoe पे.
चलेगा.
Hi guys, welcome back to Thinkplus. I hope your preparation is going great and you're all set to give the IPMAT exam. But then, why are you here? The question that is bothering us: will I be able to crack IPMAT exam in just 30 days? Don't worry guys, we were all there. I mean, I had the same question before preparing for the IPMAT examinations and even before the exam day. But we have got your back. We are here with a 30 days IPMAT strategy for you to clear IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT. Now, before getting into the battlefield, the first rule is that you need to understand who your opponent is. So let's go into the examination pattern. Let's understand who are we facing and who is our opponent. Talking about the exam pattern of IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT, both the exams have three components: quantitative ability, logical reasoning and data interpretation, and verbal ability. Firstly, we'll be talking about IPMAT Rohtak. In IPMAT Rohtak, the quantitative ability has 40 questions, the logical reasoning and data interpretation has 40 questions, and the verbal ability also has 40 questions. All of these sections have a maximum score of 160. There is no sectional cutoff for each of these sections, and the candidates can switch between these sections. The total time for the paper is 120 minutes. By analyzing the exam pattern, we can see that the paper demands both speed and accuracy. Now, talking about JIPMAT, we have 33 questions for quantitative ability for 132 marks, 33 questions for logical reasoning and data interpretation for 132 marks, and 34 questions for verbal ability and reading comprehension for 136 marks. Now you've understood your opponent. Now what will be your battle strategy? Your opponent is here, you need a strategy here. We have come up with a plan, and we'll move to the weightages so that you can better prepare your study schedule. Now, moving deeper into the trends of the question pattern that has been witnessed in the IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT previous year papers. We have divided them into three parts. The first part is talking about how important topics are there to crack the exam that everybody has to practice, as many questions have been witnessed from these topics. Then we have the subsidiary topics or the level 2 topics that have only to be covered when you have covered the base topics or the level 1 topics. And lastly are the additional topics that the student can refer only if their preparation is thorough. Now you know who your opponent is. So let's delve into your battle strategy. We'll be moving to understand what are the main concepts and topics that you need to cover before your exam. For the preparation plan, we have covered all the important topics and have divided them based on dates. If you're already following a plan, you have the flexibility of changing this plan based on your assessment of your strengths and weaknesses. Hope you have a much better clarity than you had earlier. Don't worry, this video is not the end. We've still got your back. The preparation plan as well as the Telegram group link is in the description, so join and stay tuned for more strategies and preparation tips. We'll also be starting with a 30-day preparation plan where you'll be having daily questions, more strategies and more preparation tips to help in your journey. So stay tuned to our channel. Subscribe.